Explore this extraordinary sophisticated house. A marvel of architecture and technology, seamlessly blending sleek design, eco-friendliness, and state-of-the-art innovations. Admire the exceptional futuristic dining area, where fine dining and technology merge. Holographic centerpieces, adaptive lighting, and sleek furnishings create an unforgettable dining ambience. Experience the living room of the future, uniting advanced technology and luxurious design to create an extraordinary space for relaxation, adapting to your needs and desires. Step into the kitchen of the future, featuring intelligent appliances, seamless interfaces, and advanced food preparation systems, streamlining the cooking process and elevating the culinary experience. Discover the master's bedroom's futuristic design. Experience intelligent lighting, interactive surfaces, and immersive entertainment in this tranquil and rejuvenating haven. Unveil the ultimate imaginative playground in this futuristic kid's bedroom, designed to inspire creativity and intellectual growth with interactive learning environments and versatile play areas. And finally, the futuristic toilet and bathroom, offering eco-friendly systems, smart controls, and spa-like amenities. Embrace the serenity and rejuvenation in this visionary space where technology and design coexist. This is your future home. Thank you for watching.